Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yadi.
I wanted to put on my hat. My hair's a mess.
You have short hair. We got baby Jasmine right here, and we have
Pedro Gonzalez.
and we have a crying baby. Say, mommy, do baby. I gotta do baby. I know I don't normally do my makeup,
Béchame,
but I kind of want to start.
béchame otra vez, que quiero sentir tu labio, béchame otra vez. Échale. She
She's
said
like,
no.
I kind of want to start doing makeup, a little bit of glam on my videos.
Me too.
I
It's
look-
me wearing all kinds of glam.
Yeah, that's why you're wearing your hat. So for today's video, it's gonna be a fun one.
Hey, guess what?
What?
You got fucking lipstick all over your teeth.
Yeah.
She look like a hot mess.
So we ordered this on Amazon.
Spending my money like always. Shade.
Shade. And it is the Speak Out Challenge.
I'd rather do Chubby Bunny, but she wanted to do this.
What's Chubby Bunny?
It's when you put marshmallows in there. What's up? Bésame. Quiero sentir tu labio. Besándote otra vez. Échale. She's half Cuban. You already know. This gonna be a little monster.
Is when they say how God made Latinas. That's what I'm talking about.
Light skin, brown curly hair, goddamn.
Cuban, Mexican.
And screams. She already screams at me, guys. Like.
So basically, we're supposed to put the mouthpiece in our mouth.
Oh,
and
actually, you didn't let me explain what Chubby Bunny is. When you put marshmallows in your mouth and you say Chubby Bunny, and you put marshmallows in your mouth until you can't say Chubby Bunny anymore.
Don't you just choke?
¿Quieres ponértela? Tú te la pones. Tú te la pones, Chubby Bunny. Dile, hey,
Hey, Jasmine.
¡Aplausos!
Hey, Jasmine. She looks so tiny because
Aplausos.
she's like in the back and we're in the front.
Yeah, scream, mama.
Her head's like this
Pa'
big.
mí? Pa' papi. Ah, okay.
Gracias.
Gracias, mami.
Comes with a timer. This is like the cheapest one I got, and it came with 10 mouthpieces. You're supposed to put it in your mouth, and you have cards that have sayings and words on it, and you're
Wait.
supposed to say it out loud.
Yeah, that's no way.
Baby, you don't put it like that.
How the f you put it?
Ow!
Whoever fits this bullshit in their mouth, you are some gagging ass motherfucker.
Oh, I think this, okay. Where the f is this shit go?
Ah!
Oh, we're doing it wrong. That's not how you do it.
Well, how you do? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. I also have to say, holy shit, you motherfucker. How the hell you hit this fucking shit in your mouth? Oh, this hurts.
You have it backwards, babe.
Yeah? No, I got it in the hair. Oh.
Yeah, because look at the plastic piece.
Is the big side on the outside? That's how I had it.
No, you had it the other way.
So is it this way?
Yeah, I'll wait till.
If this shatters in my mouth, I'm gonna sue you.
There's actually instructions in the back, guys. We should have done that first. Hold on, Jess. Let me go on to Jasmine.
Holy shit, this? No, this can't be right. Oh, guys.
Jazz, then you can play with this one.
It hurts. I don't think they made this for Cuban mouths. No, it's the other way, isn't it? I don't fucking know. Ew, that's so fucking
I know.
gross.
I have like
She's
lipstick
got
all
like
over.
pounds of fucking lipstick on.
I shouldn't put that much
Take
lipstick.
that shit off. Holy shit, that's gross.
Baby, it's just lipstick.
I'm very particular. Like, a lot of shit gross me out. I don't know why. Can you imagine that? Getting that on your...
But you don't say that when it is on your. Really?
Actually, yes, I tell you to take that shit off.
You're such a liar.
It's not my fault.
When have you told me that?
All the time. But you never have it on when you put it on.
That you notice?
Shut the hell up.
Then, okay, so you pull out the card and you read it to me. And I guess what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let cream on hunker hasters.
Say it again.
Let cream on hunker hasters.
Lank crane on hunky pastry.
Let cream on...
Whipped cream.
Uh-huh.
Whipped cream
On
on
hunker hasters.
Sunday.
Hunker.
Pumpkin.
Uh-huh. Hasters.
pastries. Whipped cream on pumpkin pastries. Oh. Okay. Maniac Mike trains ultras.
Maniac Mike trains.
Are you cheating?
No.
How did you understand that?
Cuz?
Hold on. Vultures.
Lunges?
Vultures.
Oh, Maniac Mike trains vultures. Puppies often say la la.
Puppies often say
La la.
wow wow. Yeah? Adeline Daniel's wine.
Adeline?
Adeline.
Adeline?
Adeline.
Adeline.
Adeline. Wind.
Windmills.
Line. Line.
Battling windmills wine? That's not, those are just words. Auntie had a color.
Say it again.
Ah,
Tired?
no, it hurts.
Auntie's magical Auntie's magical wallet. Auntie's magical Auntie's magical Aunties.
Aunties.
I'm sitting all over myself. Auntie's magical wallet.
Okay, skip that one. I don't know what to say. Monty's magical mullet. What the f? A conference for fans of Anakin.
Fuck, you lost me.
A conference for fans
A conference for fans
of
of
Anakin.
mannequins? Scotch is not a Scottish Kush. She ain't never gonna get this.
Scott, scissors, something, scotch. It feels like when you go to the dentist, like they put those big things to take your x-rays.
Scout is not a Scottish. A Scotch.
Scout is adding.
Scotch is
Scott.
Scotch.
Scott. I don't even know how to pronounce this. How do you pronounce the first?
Squelch
Oh.
is but a Scottish squish.
These are hard.
Fred?
Fred fancies a midnight feast.
Fred fancies a midnight feast.
How are you getting that right?
Platypuses walk sideways.
Something something walks sideways.
Platypuses.
Caterpillars.
No.
Octopuses.
Platypuses.
A lot of horses. Boots! Shut up!
Platypuses.
Boots! Bootsy! He can't recognize your voice, so he's flipping out.
Platypuses.
How was I supposed to know that though? Princess Fairy Tales Ori.
Princess Fairy Tales
Ori.
Morning.
Art. That shit hurts. Ori.
Farting.
Ori.
Whoring?
Ori. No. Ori.
Horny?
No. Ori.
Learning. Oh, bore me.
These are hard. They're words I never
A
use.
loud mortal enemies.
Something murdered enemies.
A loud mortal enemies.
A loud.
A loud. A vowed mortal enemies.
What the f does a vowed mean?
No fucking clue.
A musical about the Queen of Water Islands.
A musical about the Queen
Of Water Islands.
of
Water Islands.
Lauderdalens?
Water Island.
Watermelon.
Yes. Aching muscles.
Aching muscles.
muscles.
No, aching. Aching.
Making muscles.
Aching muscles to the fast.
Making muscles.
To.
To? Oh, to be buff.
Uh-huh.
You should have pointed at yourself, baby. Adding party pooper.
Party pooper. What's the first word?
Adding.
Maddening.
Add.
Add.
Adding.
Madeline.
Close. Add.
Natalie.
No, it's not a name.
Battling.
No.
Chingatela, mami. Chingatela, mami.
You guys, this shit hurts. I think if you're playing this like with a group of people, it's good to do like 2 per person at a time because we're gonna wake up hella sore tomorrow.
Your face is gonna freeze like that.
Your face is gonna freeze like that. It's better to puke.
Excited to puke.
It's better
It's better to puke
than pout.
than
Out.
out.
Pout.
Pout. Oh. I got hired from the other end. I got hired.
I got hired.
Opposite of that.
I got fired.
I got hired from the other end.
I got fired at
From the other end.
from the lion. From the lawyer?
From the other end.
Under Hoyan.
From the other end.
From the ocean. We had lots of fun doing this video. If you try it at home, please let us know what you think.
Fuck.
Honestly, it hurt.
Yeah. I think I would have laughed more and had a little bit more fun if that shit wasn't carving the inside of my throat out. I'm being excessive. It was grace. It was it was gently gracing the top of my gums and it became very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But it was in the back of my throat.
No, but like for me right here it burns.
For you it burns there? It's because you stupid.
That's weird.
Ríete, mami. Ríete de mami.
Anyways, we hope you guys liked it.
Baby disabled my phone.
Baby, you know this. We've been practicing this for a while. We hope you guys liked it.
Hate it.
No.
Shimmy shamed it.
No.
Bitty bitty bang bang.
No. Be serious.
Como la flor,
Do you guys-
se marchito, me diste tú. I sang that completely wrong, by the way. I don't know Selena, I just know she had a fat ass. And I'm down with fat
You're
ass.
insulting the Latinas, babe.
Baby,
What?
I'm appreciating the booty of the Latinas. That's all they need.
What are you
Trust.
appreciating? You better not be appreciating no
She
Latinas
dead,
booty.
bro. She's
I don't
dead.
give a f- If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
Comment and share.
Yes, and subscribe
Subscribe.
because we do post weekly videos. I'm trying to get
Or at
better.
least try to.
No, it's been once a week. We're trying to get better at posting more than one. We know that you guys love them. We hope you guys liked it.
Thumbs up it.
Baby!
No, what is it?
Okay.
We hope you guys liked it.
Loved it.
Hate it.
Whatever.
Can you sound a little bit more excited? Just enjoy it. And we will talk to you guys next time. Love you.